crazy. Hey, what's up? This guy's gone. Yeah? Liz is a chill, cool girl. Liz, what's up?
We're chilling.
What can you say?
That I want to stay in Mexico.
You want to stay in Mexico?
Yeah.
Hey. And we have this beautiful lady. What's your name? Okay.
That's
all
what
right.
me from Ghana.
From Ghana? You Ghanaian?
Yeah.
Akwabao. Okay. Hey, calm down. Yeah, let's see. There's another guy here. You can't be too smart. You know what I mean? Jessica? Jessica. Bonita Jessica.
Ah, gracias.
That's right.
Gracias.
Hola, mi amigos. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. I'm about to show you a life of Bliss in Mexicano. Such an interesting place. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? So, you know, as we live your lives, sometimes it's good to decongest and enjoy the special moments. And I'm here for a few days for quick vacation in the winter before I go back to the Babylon. The Babylon is the United States. But before I talk too much, just look at this. Beautiful people, these are all my friends. And this is Haruna, he's from Chicago too.
They don't respect those people.
Hey.
Right in our faces, huh?
That's right.
So I did the first book already.
Hey, Chineke. Okay.
I thought you were gonna jump.
No jumping.
For the camera.
For the camera? You can jump for the camera, don't jump. So Puerto Vallarta is an island coast, an island city in Mexico, but not Ukraine. This guy, you guys, listen. This folk, they were supposed to fly to Mexico, but they booked their flight to Ukraine. So they arrived here one day late. I'm like, why do you have to go to Ukraine? And this is Mexicano. This is Liz. Liz is a chill, cool girl. Liz, what's up?
We're chilling.
What can you say?
That I want to stay in Mexico.
You want to stay in Mexico?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's fine. We'll
It's
go
fine?
back to be freezing.
You have to go back to Babylon.
Back to freezing cold.
This guy got married.
He's getting married.
Wait, I thought, what, are you getting married or you already married?
Bro, I've been married like mentally for a while.
Mentally?
So that counts.
And we have this beautiful lady. What's your name? Okay.
That's
all
what
right.
me from Ghana.
From Ghana? You Ghanaian? Akwabao. Okay. Hey, calm down. You don't try. Don't.
Let me get you quick.
Not harder than
That's very
that.
nice. Yeah, let's see. There's another guy here. You can't be too smart. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful place. Anyway, Puerto Vallarta is an island city Let's say island or coastal? Not island. Coastal city in Mexico, where people come and visit, eat, have fun. The way we do it. So I don't want to talk too much. Let me show you what we're doing. And later I'll take you to the streets. Enjoy Puerto Vallarta. So, how do you call this animal here? Is it iguana or tijuana? Iguana, right? This is crazy, bro. Wait,
The big one.
this can it attack you?
I hope not.
I don't know. Ah!
He's gonna go that tree. Yeah, he's going back.
Oh, yo.
The tail.
It's a lizard. Is that a lizard?
Yeah, it's lizard. Or reptile.
Can I touch it? Everybody is bamboozled. So, iguana?
Iguana.
Not Tijuana.
Iguana.
Iguana, not Tijuana. What's your name?
Iguana.
What's your name? Your nombre?
Nombre Jessica.
Jessica? Jessica. Bonita Jessica.
Ah, gracias.
That's right.
Gracias.
So bonita means beautiful, you know. So when I see anybody here, I don't speak Spanish, so I just keep telling them bonita. I think it's a kind thing to say. Hi, I'm vlogging. You speak Espanol? No Espanol? You speak English? Where are you from? Anyway, back to you. Oh, so beautiful, beautiful people. Look at the sunset. Oh my God. Amigo, right? Amigas, are you guys you speak English, right?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Canada.
Canada, so sorry.
Northern Mexico.
He can pass for Hispanic.
He's from here.
He's from here? You too, actually.
I live here, but I'm from Canada.
That's nice.
I'm very white.
That's right. You're white. You're very white. Not very white, but like you look more European. Where are you from? Canada too? What part of Canada? Ontario. I'm from Kenya. Yeah. I like. She has pretty eyes. You know what I mean? Can I see your eyes one more time? Just look at me. Oh, good eyes. So, trust me.
Can't see you, but.
Okay, guys, we have a good time. Chibo, big up. Amigo. Hola. Look at this guy here. This guy is just dead. Hey, what's up? This guy is gone. Yeah? He's enjoying life. Happy Mexican guy? Oh man, he's having a good time. I'm a happy Kenyan guy. You know Kenya?
Yeah.
Kenya, Africa. Africa, yeah.
Africa.
Yeah.
I'm Mexican from Aguas Califas.
Califas?
Aguas Califas.
Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
Mexican.
Okay.
See you.
See you, Baba. It's beautiful people, man. Yeah, let's take a picture. Why not? Yeah. Photo. Okay, wait, let me see. Let me put this.
Bueno, es una foto.
Photo?
Yeah.
So this guy here wants to take a picture. I'll take a picture with you. Hey.
Yeah. Okay, bueno, vamos a poner.
Bonita.
Ready.
Thank you. You love it? Thank you, bro. Take care. So he loves me. That's good. Let's see here what's happening here. Oh, yeah. Anyways. Hi. Good time? Oh, Mexicans are good people. Hola. Hola. Yeah, they're crazy. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Crazy people. Hola, amigo. No, no now. Mañana. Mañana. Tomorrow, yeah, mañana. They want me to ride a bike. Not bike, like whatever, ride on the ocean. I can't do that right now. It's too much money to spend. Hola, amigos, right? What's your name?
Isaí.
Zay, where you from? Here? Puerto Vallarta? Oh, good. Chiam, or vacation, whatever you can call it. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I know you. So, are you happy I showed you Puerto Vallarta? Hey, subscribe, like, share. Let's keep the traffic. Till next time. Much love. Bye. Sign out.